You've set up your dropshipping store, but you're not sure about the right payment method. Get ready, because in this video, we're diving straight into the crucial factors you need to consider when choosing the right payment method and gateway. So, let's jump right in. First things first, let's talk about the most common payment methods out there. The choices seem endless, from credit and debit cards to bank transfers and mobile payments. But which ones are essential for your store? The most common payment method for online orders is credit cards and debit cards. Research shows that 97% of customers prefer using credit or debit payments. Accepting credit and debit cards not only gives authenticity to your store, but also builds trust with your customers. It's essential to ensure that your store offers this payment method to avoid pushing potential customers away. While credit cards are popular, it's important not to overlook alternatives like bank transfers. Some customers still prefer the simplicity and security of this payment method. Plus, it's especially beneficial for customers who are not comfortable sharing their card details. So make sure you look into this method, and if it's relevant to your target market, add it to your store. Mobile payments are on the rise and have become a new trend in the e-commerce world. Smartphone payment options like Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay provide convenience and speed for most consumers. Adding mobile payments makes it faster and easier for consumers to pay for their orders and will increase your sales. These are the most common payment methods. Now, did you know that nearly half of customers will abandon their carts if their preferred payment option isn't available? That's why it's essential to offer a variety of payment methods to meet different preferences and increase your sales potential. Now that we've covered the different payment methods, let's talk about third-party payment gateways. Think of it as the bridge between your store and your customers' wallets. A payment gateway is an essential tool that handles all transactions for your online store. It seamlessly processes all your customers' transactions and safeguards sensitive information. So, it's crucial to choose a payment gateway that is compatible with your e-commerce platform and meets all your business needs. Not all payment gateways are created equal, so how do you choose the right one? First, it needs to seamlessly integrate with your platform of choice, whether it's Shopify, WooCommerce, or another. And make sure it supports dropshipping, as some gateways may have restrictions. Secondly, consider the needs of your customers and your target market. Is it compatible with the currencies and countries you'll be selling to? Popular payment gateways vary by region, so choose one that your customers are familiar with. Next, keep an eye on transaction fees to ensure they fit within your budget. While some gateways offer low fees, others may impact your overall profit. And don't forget about scalability. As your business grows, you'll want a gateway that can grow with you, offering support for international markets and additional features. User-friendliness and customer service are equally important factors to consider. Look for a payment gateway that offers the features you need and is easy to use. Additionally, choose a gateway with excellent customer service to ensure prompt assistance whenever you need it. So it's all about finding the perfect fit for your store. Just do your research so you can make an informed decision. Now, let's explore the cream of the crop, the best payment gateways for your dropshipping store. While the choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences, here are some top contenders. If you are a Shopify user, try to get approved with Shopify Payments. That would be the best option for you. The transaction fees start from 2.9% plus 30 cents for the basic Shopify plan, and can get as low as 2.4% plus 30 cents for the advanced Shopify plan. Unfortunately, only some countries are accepted. In case you don't have Shopify Payments in your country, these are some of your best alternatives. Stripe is the best alternative normally. But if you can't get accepted with Stripe either, you will need to look for alternatives such as PayPal, Authorize.net, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. If you use other e-commerce platforms like Wix or Ecwid, then Stripe is going to be the best option for you too. Their payment processing fee is 2.9% plus 30 cents per successful transaction. Now, Stripe has started to decline new accounts lately, especially if a store looks new or unprofessional and seems made by a beginner. So, always ensure you have a company incorporated, contact details, and policies properly set on your store before you register an account with them, or they will just decline you. If you use WooCommerce, then WooPayments, a new payment gateway created by WooCommerce in partnership with Stripe, would be the best option for you. Even if you get approved with Shopify Payments, Stripe, or WooPayments, we recommend installing PayPal as an alternative. Many users have funds in PayPal, or they even receive their salaries via PayPal, so it's easier and cheaper for them to just use it to make purchases online. Their payment processing fee is 3.49% plus 49 cents, but it can go up to 5% in some countries. And we can tell you that in most Western countries, PayPal is used by around 15% to 30% of your potential customers. So, whether it is PayPal and Stripe, Shopify Payments, or WooPayments, all these gateways offer reliability, flexibility, and global reach. Mix and match to create the perfect payment solution for your store and market. In dropshipping, it's essential to keep a low chargeback rate. But what exactly do chargebacks mean, and why should you be concerned? Well, a chargeback occurs when one of your customers disputes a transaction with their bank, seeking a refund for various reasons, such as poor quality or failure to receive products. While refunds are manageable, excessive chargebacks can mean trouble for your payment gateway account. In recent years, gateways like Stripe, Shopify Payments, or PayPal have become more vigilant, suspending dropshipping accounts more easily, with chargeback rates exceeding 1%. What does a 1% chargeback rate mean? Simply put, a 1% chargeback rate means that 1% of your customers or orders have open chargebacks with their banks, wanting their money back and jeopardizing your account stability. To protect your payment gateway account and keep chargebacks at bay, start by putting in place a solid returns process and a crystal clear return policy. So make sure your customers can easily navigate the returns process and understand your policy. If returning an item becomes impossible or confusing, they will likely resort to chargebacks out of frustration. Also, prioritize responsive and proactive customer service. Answer their questions about shipping, tracking numbers, and return requests promptly and professionally. Neglecting these aspects could lead to customer dissatisfaction and increased chargebacks. To sum it up, choosing the right payment method for your dropshipping store can make or break your store. While there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution, it's important to meet your customers' preferences. PayPal is often a popular choice due to its widespread recognition and trust among customers. However, it's recommended to offer a combination of payment methods, including credit cards, international gateways, and mobile payment options like Google Pay and Apple Pay. Don't forget to provide bank transfers as an option, especially for business customers. That wraps up today's video on choosing the right payment method for your dropshipping store. Remember, make sure you select a payment gateway that ticks all the boxes for compatibility, fees, and customer service. With the right payment options in place, you'll be on your way to fulfilling orders and growing your business. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content on dropshipping and e-commerce. Stay tuned for more videos to help you grow your dropshipping business. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.